Hello, welcome to Nothing's in the Fridge, episode 3, the I Just Woke Up Like This edition. Currently the time is 12:43, it's a Saturday, and we are going to be cooking some brunch, or breakfast. Today I'll be using this skillet again. It's my go-to implement. And today I will also be using new item alert. This pot. So yeah, to start things off, I'm gonna put some water in this pot. Now we're gonna heat up the pot first. I'm gonna wait on the skillet because the stuff that's gonna cook in the skillet will cook way faster. This is gonna be some ramen noodles. I think you want to wait to open them before it boils. Also, I think you can cook an egg in the water. I'm gonna try that as well. Maybe at the same time. I'm gonna make this bread nice and eggy from the start, so crack that in there. I'm gonna throw this guy on top. Push it down. Juice is flowing. Gonna try to make an egg inside of the ramen noodle. It's really hot. Ooh, steam is moving. Okay, dropped it in. Oh, water doesn't know what to do right now. Take out some margarine. Lather up the bread here. Actually, I should probably just slice this off. Here, we're just gonna flip it. Oppa! Come on, come on. Ah ha ha! Okay. So, this is what ended up happening when I threw that egg in. I guess that's not what you're supposed to do. Regardless, time to add the seasoning. Hopefully that doesn't... Oh, that might not work. Wow, this thing is really bubbling. That looks perfect. Now, I'm the type of person who believes most breakfast things taste better with cheese. If you're lactose intolerant, you can decide against that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sandwich here. I'm just going to simply slap it on, okay? Now, we're going to move this really hot ramen and the egg onto this sandwich. We're going to transfer it with this, and hopefully it won't be too messy. And hopefully the heat will melt the cheese. If you guys are thinking this is gross, you're probably right. Really hot egg. I just want to get in the center though, so you know, half of what you eat, half of the taste comes from the way it looks. Here you have it. I call it Eggs Benedict Arnold. Why? Because there are eggs. There was gonna be meat. I forgot that part. Oh well. And then there's two different types of eggs. They play both sides. You know, you got the one that was thrown in the water. I'm sure that has a name. And you have the one that was thrown into the toast, which was basically just scrambled. Now, we're gonna do a taste test. So, I'm gonna cut up both parts of this egg and some bread and get some ramen on there. I'm gonna cleanse my palate like I did last time. I'm gonna readjust this camera because it's cutting my head off. This is a lot harder to eat than I thought it would be. I think this was the best one yet.